What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So we're out here doing another driveway and kind of see what we got going on here. So this one's going to be 300 feet long, 18 feet wide, and we're going to be doing about 3 inches thick. And yeah, we've got our last load dumped. We're going to hop in the machine and get spreading. Don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe, check out our merch store. Everything helps. We appreciate you guys. Keep on digging. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. You know the drill. Smash the like button, subscribe, share. Super thanks. Check out the merch store. All the above. But let's get back to the video. So in this video, we'll be doing a crushed asphalt driveway. We're just spreading it 3 inches thick. We're using the skid steer. We hauled in about, I want to say 75 tons, something like that. And yeah, we're just going to continue spreading out this asphalt. And if you haven't yet, check out our video before this about how to make money with a skid steer. And yeah, let's get on with the video. All right, what's up, guys? So yeah, we're gonna have a bonus video on this. We actually combined 2 driveways into one. We're just doing the resurfacing and all that good stuff. These are definitely like quick jobs. Like, so we did both these in one day, and like this is how you can really bang out your profits. Like if you're just operating with a dump trailer and a skid steer and a truck, like your costs are down and you can charge a lot for your services. Like just running a machine skid steer, anywhere from $150 to $200 an hour is usually typical what you can charge. So I mean, however you take to install and deliver, just add in all your services. That's all you gotta do. Don't forget, check out our merch store. We got a bunch of cool t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, stickers, and the theme of the day is work harder. Let's go. Let's get back to moving dirt. So in this one, we're just doing a simple resurfacing. We did it about 3 inches thick. The way you'd want to bid this one is, so you measure the length, how many feet long, and then how many feet wide it is, and then depending on what software app you use, there's a app that will tell you exactly how many tons you'll need for the job, and it's based on how thick you do it, and then you calculate how much material you'll need, and you calculate how much time and labor you'll have into it, and that's the simple way to bid this. So yeah, as always, this will just be a quick one. It's just quick driveway resurfacing. If there's any questions you have, hit us in the comments. We're always here to help, and we appreciate it as always. So yeah, you guys can see in this video, we actually built this retaining wall and stuff. You can see it in the background, and that'll be in a different video. Yeah, we're just doing adding a parking area on this driveway, and then we're just resurfacing the other half of the driveway, which you can kind of see. But you can just kind of see, like, this is our favorite product as always, crushed asphalt. It's awesome. I mean, so when the sun hits it, it kind of bakes it back together and gets real tight. And with crushed concrete and other gravels, like, you have a lot of dirt and stuff mixed in them. So this product definitely, like, if you have washouts or you have problems with like getting mud all over your car and stuff, this solves all your issues. It's just a way cleaner, best gravel based product you can use. But yeah, this will just be a quick one to finish up the video. And don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the super thanks if all these videos help you. You guys wouldn't mind donating to the channel and stuff, we appreciate it. Like, it helps us keep creating this content. And yeah, let's finish this off. Dirtworks TV.